Unit 1, Topic B, Exploring Access Databases. I've opened Access 2016 and we're looking at the screen from which we can open different types of databases. The first one on the screen is called the blank database, and if we open it, we are opening something that's brand new, that contains no data, that has no structure, and that we have to create from scratch. Access, however, has created a whole lot of pre-built databases from which we can select any one that suits our application and use it for a particular purpose. Let's explore the different types of databases that are pre-built and which we can simply open and start using with minimal customization. The one that we've used previously is called the Northwind 2007 sample database, and we'll be working a lot more in it. It doesn't have any particular purpose except that it is a great tool for playing around and learning to manipulate the different structures within an Access database. Then there are various other categories, and some of them are listed on screen. Asset tracking database, which is a good business database for tracking assets. A contacts database, a students database. And if I scroll down, there are many different categories. Things like product inventory, nutrition tracking, home inventory, time cards, time and billing, vehicle maintenance. The point here is that Access can be used both from a business perspective as well as be useful from a personal perspective. There's a lot of different databases which can assist you at home to track things like your contacts, your home assets, your diet, your recipes, and Access is infinitely customizable to suit any particular purpose. There is also the ability to search for online templates. So if there is a particular application that you're looking for, it is not part of what Access typically gives you. There are a lot of online content creators that make available sample or real databases on the internet, and you can go and search for them using the little search box at the top. So for instance, if we want to go look for a time tracker, I press enter on the keyboard, and Access will now search thousands of online templates to see if it finds something that is relevant. Some of the content that we find online can be purchased, but most of them are free, and it came up here with two databases, a time card and a call tracker based on the search argument that I typed in, and on the right hand side a whole list of different categories from which I can go and search and download different types of databases. Microsoft Access, as I said, is infinitely customizable, and it is intended for use on a personal basis as well as in business. However, it has some limitations in the business scenario, which when it reaches a particular size and complexity, it is better to start using more professional database applications which are available from Microsoft or other vendors. The good thing about Access is that it is compatible with most, if not all, of the major database vendors out there in the business world. So when you start with an Access database and your organization grows or your database grows to the point where you want to upgrade to a more professional and a more corporate type of application, then the data and the data structures in Access can be migrated into something that is more suitable to a larger and more complex purpose. End of topic B.